Module 2, problem number 9. Suppose that the lifetimes of light bulbs are approximately normally distributed with a mean of 57 hours and a standard deviation of 3.5 hours. With this information, answer the following questions. First, there's two solutions. There's one that goes through it manually and using the table. This is how to use StatCrunch. So on this one, we're all going to be using StatCrunch. So part A, what proportion of light bulbs will last more than 62 hours? So first, let's go to question help and just open StatCrunch. I like to hit this little icon to pop it out so I can move it over and kind of go between the two windows. So here, so we need to first go to Stat, Calculators, and go down to Normal. Remember, this is dealing with the normal distribution. Right here, we saw that approximately normally distributed. So Calculators, Normal Distribution, brings up a table. You have a couple of options. You have Standard, which is just right here with the greater than or less than symbol. And you have between for when it's looking in between two values. And this is a great way to also see what we're actually looking at. So here, this is assuming standard normal distribution. See with the 0 and the 1, and that's one of the things you can do is manually standardize the data by converting your X to Z. In this case, we can actually just input our mean of 57. And our standard deviation was at 3.5. So we can skip that step. And then we're just going to go through all the parts, and I'll show you how to do them in StatCrunch. So again, part A, the proportion of light bulbs that last more than, so that means that we need to switch that to greater than, and it's 62. Compute. So see here, I changed our graph here. So instead of being centered at 0, it's centered at 57. And here, this is the 62, and this is the area shaded under that normal curve that's greater than 62. So the probability of that is right here. It says to round to 4 decimal places, so let's do 0.076, and then we need to round up to 6. See right there with that 765, and then that 6 rounds that up to 6. Check answer. Fantastic. The proportion of light bulbs that last 50 hours or less. So that means we need to do a less than symbol and put in 50 here, compute. And that's going to give us this probability here. Again, you see that 50 part, and to the left is shaded. Now we're looking at less than, so that's the probability that X is less than 50. So that, here are our answers right here down here. We're going to put that in. It's 0.0228. Again, that 5 rounds that 7 up to an 8. Check answer. Nice work. The proportion of light bulbs that lasts between 58 and 62. So now we're going to click on between. Do 58, 62, click compute. And we're going to do 4 decimal places again. It's going to give us 0.310. That's going to be 3110. 0.3110. Check answer. Nice work. The probability that a randomly selected light bulb lasts less than 45 hours. So we're going to go back to standard. Less than is already selected, and then we're going to put 45 in here. Click compute, and that gives us 0.0003. Check answer. Excellent. All right, that's how you do problem number 9 using just StatCrunch. So you can use this on other problems as well. If you have any questions, let me know.